Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So guys, I'm back again after a short break with an amazing mind-blowing video. So, you have this question in your mind for so long. Who prints money in India? And today, I'm gonna clear your doubts regarding this. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. So here the question arises. Who prints money in India? Okay. Reserve Bank of India, which is the Central Bank of India, prints and manages currencies in India. Currency is printed under the provision of Section 22 of the Reserve Bank of India Act. Printing facilities of RBI are available in Mysore, Devas and Salban. However, RBI does not deal with the coins. The minting of coins is the sole responsibility of the Government of India. Coins are minted at the 4 Indian government mints at Maharashtra, Kolkata, UP and Hyderabad. The issuing of the coins for circulation is done by RBI. The Government of India controls the printing of money, though it is a key function of RBI. For instance, the government decides the denominations of currencies, designing of notes, quality of paper, security concerns, etc. In 2016, the government discontinued the printing and circulation of Rs 500 and Rs 1000 note as a legal tender to curb the corruption. RBI prints the currency, but the ultimate decision-making power lies in the hands of the government. The RBI has a limit that it can print currencies notes only up to Rs 10,000. So if RBI ever wish to print the currencies notes higher than this value, it must seek permission from the Government of India. To bring a change in any such limits, amendment needs to be done in the RBI Act. Apart from this, estimates are made every year by RBI to see the demand of bank notes. RBI needs to file a written request to the government for the same. They can proceed to printing notes only after the approval of the government. RBI forecasts the future requirements of currencies for various regions by considering the numerous factors. The government also takes suggestions from the RBI officials regarding matter related to currency printing and circulation. Final decision making is done by the government only after considering the suggestions. So, here are my questions to you. Who do you think has more say in printing of currency? RBI or the Government of India? If you like the article, share it with your friends. Yeah, that's all for today. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such amazing facts which I'm gonna publish on each Friday. That's all for today. Bye bye.